Lesson 4 is over multiplying decimals. You can use models to help you multiply decimals. A model is another way to represent a math problem. Models can be grids, pictures, words, or numbers. You can use models to help you decide if your answer is reasonable, and an answer is reasonable if the estimate answer and the exact answer are about the same. Our problem is the road from Springfield to Holtsville is 0.8 miles long and is being repaved. Currently, 0.6 of the road has been repaved. What part of a mile of the road has been repaved? So first we're going to mark the hundredths grid. And 0.8 is the part of the road that's going to be repaved. So we're going to mark 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What part of the road has been repaved already is 0.6. So we're going to mark 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should have a total of 48 boxes, which would represent the 48 squares, and that would also represent 0.48, because when you multiply 0.8 times 0.6, that's going to be 0.48. And so what part of a mile of the road has been repaved would be 0.48 miles. Our second problem is during an experiment, a scientist poured a 0.256 liter solution into a beaker. 4/100ths of the solution was alcohol. How many liters of the solution was alcohol? So you're going to multiply the decimals like you would whole numbers. And we're going to multiply the 0.256 and the 4/100ths. The 4/100ths looks like this. 0.04. The first one here behind the decimal is the tenths place, and that is the hundredths place. So we're going to set it up. You do not have to line the decimals up here. That's only when adding and subtracting. So we're going to multiply that out. And that's going to give you, in this place, there's 3 decimals, which is represented there. In this place, there are 2 decimals represented because the decimals start here and they work their way back. So 1, 2. So 2 decimals are here. There's a total of 5 decimal places. So our answer is going to have 5 decimals. So once we multiply it out, we're going to move the decimal place. It starts here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer should have 5 decimal places. So how many liters of the solution is alcohol? And that is 0.01024 liters.